What if you had a personal physics coach ready to help you day or night on any topic? That's exactly what your AI Sensei is. Trained by me to think like a coach, not like a tutor. You can ask the Sensei anything: concepts, problems, study tips, even say, explain it like I'm in high school, or even show me how to solve this step by step. If you're stuck, it gets you unstuck. If you're confused, it brings clarity. If you want to level up, it gives you personalized practice. You can type or you can even speak to this. The sensei will also type the responses and even talk to you. It's fast, it's focused, and it's always ready, especially when you need it the most. Click on Daily Practice and start your first session with your sensei now. You're never alone, your coach is always ready. In the next video, I will show you our belt system and how each belt could help you to achieve your physics goals. Train hard, show up, and we'll see you in the next lesson.